Bear, Smith, Tommy, Mingo, and Aaron. It's that time again to say bye-bye. But before you go, I'd like to let you know that I hope that your time here learning TOEIC has been productive and fruitful. I hope you will learn to, you can apply the things that you learned here in our classes to solving the TOEIC questions, all right, in the near future. Good luck and God bless.
Hi Tomo, hi Jim. I hope you had good times here in the Philippines, and I hope that you had enjoyed your stay here. So you're about to go, and I just wish you all the best, and I hope you will achieve everything you wanted in life. Bye!
Hello Riza, and I would just like to thank you for all the precious times we had together. I wish you all the best in life, a happy life in the future, and please work well for your endeavor, and God bless you. Goodbye.
Okay, hi Eri, you've stayed here for 3 weeks. You're going back to Japan soon, and I think 1 month is not enough. It's nice to know that your interest is to protect the nature and its wonders. Just continue on doing it and keep on improving your English skills. You're such a nice person. I'll miss you. Enjoy exploring the sea world. God bless.
Hi Olivia, I don't know what to say because, yeah, although you are always absent in my class, you're still my best student, okay? Because I know you're smart, okay? And you have the skill. I was impressed at first when you spoke, okay, in our first class because you have good pronunciation and intonation. But I would like to say, please study more, of course, and good luck. You cannot reach those dreams you have if you don't study hard, okay? Good luck to your life, enjoy, and I will miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi David, my buddy student. Yeah, thank you for being a good student. Yeah, you always give me free time. So you are always absent in our class, but it's okay. I like it. Anyway, thank you for being a student. With me for 4 months. I hope that you have learned a lot. But I want you to continue to study hard and harder in Korea. So I hope that you will be successful in your life and reach for your dreams. Yeah, so maybe next year you will get married, so have more babies, okay? And thank you so much for all the memories you have given me, and thank you for being a nice buddy student for me, and I hope that you will be happy in your life. Take care always. Always remember Philippines. Don't forget me and don't forget us. Take care always. Bye.
William, I'm speaking on behalf of your buddy tutor Leslie K, but anyway, it seems like you are also my buddy student, so first of all, I would like to thank you for the friendship, and I have one word before you go back to Korea. You know, English is easy if you will take it easy, okay? So focus. And if you will go back to Korea and meet Juju, and just extend my regards to her. So God bless, and I know He will grant the desires of your heart. So enjoy life and smile, okay?
One more.
Oh.